Liddell and Dunhaven.
Got it.
Delta 581, they just turned on finesse.
It's gonna be a Haggis Soul.
Westbound finesse.
Going westbound on finesse towards Marsh Lane. Just
Northbound on post.
Just turned northbound on post.
You on Chase?
10-4, he rammed a coworker vehicle.
Fuck!
Shit! We might... God dang it. Delta 581, we're about to be going under Northwest Highway on DNT. Looks like one of their back tires is going to give out.
Which one? On the right or left?
My side. We're still southbound on Dallas North Tollway.
Fuck, dude.
We just crossed over Inwood. I think it's Inwood or Lovers.
I have no idea. You have seatbelt on?
Yeah.
Coming up Mockingbird over here.
We're coming up to the Mockingbird exit. What the fuck is he doing? He said so many. Yeah, I'll just kind of stay back a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck, where are we at? Still going southbound on DNT.
If somebody can get me that plate so I can put the registration info on there.
I don't have.
We need to notify the tollway of what kind of vehicle, etc.
26 foot long U-Haul.
Okay, thank you.
I think the call is holding.
That's crazy, dude.
He's with us.
There's been no pay, go pay fill out the accident scene. Adam John 08660.
Copy.
What is this exit? Fuck.
And down is gonna take it.
We're in the exit lane for Wycliffe. Just took the Wycliffe exit. Gonna be going westbound at 2500 Wycliffe. Coming up to Maple. Please don't fuck up, sir. Don't fuck up. Don't do anything stupid.
Fuck.
Oh my god!
North 6700 something. Wrecked out, just wrecked out.
Get one vehicle. Let's get somebody to check him out. 6700 Lemon is the last address I got.
Tell the fucking ground police! Police, stop! Shots fired! Drop the fucking gun! Drop the fucking gun! Show me your fucking hands! Show me your fucking hands! Crawl out here! Crawl out here! Crawl out here! Lay on your fucking stomach! Lay on your fucking stomach! Put your arms out! Do not fucking move! Do not fucking move!
Show me your hands! Ready? Ready?
Don't rush it.
Where's the gun?
Where's the gun? Behind him.
All right, crawl forward towards us. Crawl towards us. Keep coming. You ready? Okay. Keep coming. All right, are we ready? You ready? Keep coming. Keep
point.
coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. All right, here we go. Ready?
I got point.
Keep your hands where we can see them. Point the palms up.
Do not
Palms
fucking
up.
move.
Bravo 534, we need some officers out here to cover the perimeter and all of the doors of this hangar.
Hey, watch out. Let me put a tourniquet. Joseph, let me put a tourniquet on him. Alright, I'm putting a tourniquet on it.
Bravo 534, get some Buckfield officers out here. The hangar's wide open here on the